In this video, I'll show you how you can add page numbers to a Google document. So right now I've got a template imported. I'm not sure what it is, but it's a 6-page template, and I'm going to show you how you can add page numbers to any document. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Format and then Page Numbers, and that will bring up this box here. Now you can choose whether you want your page numbers in the header or the footer. The header is going to be at the top of the page, the footer is going to be at the bottom. I like my page numbers on the bottom of the page. If you didn't want to show page 1 on your title page, you can just go ahead and uncheck this. But I want to show page 1, so we'll keep that checked. And then we can click Apply here. And now what's going to happen, you can see we've got page 1, we've got page 2, page 3. It's then going to number all of the pages for us inside of our Google Doc, so we don't have to go and do it manually. Now it really is that easy. If that video helped you out, please do leave a like and comment down below.